In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer assets from earn to spot in Binance. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer navigating the world of cryptocurrency, understanding how to transfer your funds effectively is essential for optimizing your trading strategies and keeping your assets organized. This process is relatively straightforward, and we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you feel confident and informed as you make your transfer. Let's begin by heading over to Binance.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. It's important to ensure that your login information is secure, as this protects your valuable assets. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the interface's upper section. Here, you'll want to click on the Wallet option and, from the drop-down menu, select Earn. This is where you manage the assets you've accumulated in the Earn section of Binance. Now that you're in the Earn section, it's time to locate the specific asset you'd like to transfer. The assets you see listed here are those you've chosen to invest via Binance's various earning options. Upon finding your desired asset, look closely for a small button labeled Transfer. This button is typically positioned right next to the asset you're focused on. Clicking the Transfer button will prompt a new pop-up window to appear. This window is where you'll specify the details of your transfer. It's crucial to pay attention here, as you'll need to ensure that the From field is set to Earn Wallet and the To field is set to Spot Wallet. This step is essential, as it ensures your assets are moving from your Earn account, which is used for earning interest, to your Spot account, where you can trade or sell assets as needed. With those settings confirmed, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be precise here. Double-check the amount to ensure accuracy and to avoid unnecessary transactions later on. Carefully look over all the details in the pop-up window one last time. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, it's time to move on to finalizing the transfer. Now, simply click on the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. Your request will be processed, and the assets will soon be moved to your Spot wallet, ready for trading or withdrawal. It's as simple as that. With these steps, navigating and managing your funds within Binance becomes a more intuitive process. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this guide helpful in transferring assets from Earn to Spot on Binance. Remember, taking the time to familiarize yourself with these functions can significantly enhance your trading experience and financial strategies. Stay safe and informed as you continue your journey in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.